The most underrated and underutilized feature on your LinkedIn profile is your featured section. So many people are not taking advantage of the amazing opportunity that your featured section affords you. And the opportunity is to take a viewer of your profile anywhere where you want them to go across the internet. Let them see anything that you want them to see. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's go to LinkedIn. So if you take a look at this featured section, what he's got here is just a few of his top posts that he's highlighting and trying to bring to people's attention. It looks like a couple of them are testimonials, which is not a bad thing, but you could do so much better. All right, now let's take a look at mine. Right off the bat, you could see a big difference. Look at my slides. I have branded thumbnails which have attention-grabbing images and headlines on them that make people actually want to click into these things. Then I'm using the titles to tell people why they should click these items. So take the first one, my DM domination tool, for example. Get more leads and close more clients on LinkedIn. It's pretty much what everybody wants. So when they click that, it's going to automatically take them over to the sales page for my DM domination tool, which is a $20 product that I sell. So look, if you're not utilizing this feature of LinkedIn, you are missing out on an opportunity. Whatever the top call to actions that you have for your business, whether it's to download your lead magnet, whether it's to visit your YouTube channel, to subscribe to your podcast, to book an appointment with you, these things need to be highlighted in your featured section. This is just another way to optimize your LinkedIn profile to convert. And make sure that your LinkedIn profile is definitely in creator mode. And if it's not, you probably want to check out my previous video.